Hello viewers, today I'll be showing you how to record vlogging style videos, better called on Samsung as director mode. This is basically a mode where the front camera and the back camera are on and recording at the same time. So what you need to do is simply launch the camera app, and with the camera app launched, swipe on this menu at the bottom until you get to more, and then tap on director's view. And this basically opens director's view, and as you can see, the front camera is here and the back camera is in this window up here. So to change them over or to switch between the two, you can do that, and it's gonna switch just like that. This might be very useful for vloggers who want to have their own video feed, and of course the video feed of what they're recorded at the same time. Now in director's mode, you can go to settings, and that will take you back to the camera settings. This button basically lets you decide whether you want to save the two video feeds as separate videos or as one single video in this particular view. So if you tap on it once, it will save the front and rear as separate videos. If you tap on it like that, it's gonna save it as one video. And then the button on the right, top right, lets you change the view. You can have split screen if you want. And even in split screen, you can switch between the two cameras. And then of course with the rear video feed, you can choose to use the main camera or the 3x zoom or even the 10x zoom for your recording from the back camera. And that's basically vlogging mode or director's mode on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below. Don't forget to share and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Good luck.